Right, show everyone just came around to Tizzy's to have a look at his EG6 SIR 1 1992 black, straight from the paint job. Looks immaculate. And now here's his Mini as well, sitting here doing nothing with it. What a waste. He has a Starlet there as well, an Escort van, and one of my favourite cars, my first ever car, K10 Micra. Look at that beauty. Lovely. So Aaron's in there laying down some coats of paint on the Civic. When the Mini is sold and the Civic's gone. K24 Turbo. Whoa. Look at that. Love it. Ooh. What do we think? Drop it in the comments below. Rear wheel drive K24 Turbo. BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, 3 Series definitely. E30, 36, E42. And Reaper said he was finished polishing cars. Out driving trucks. Never again, I'm never polishing another car. Out driving trucks for a living now. And he's polishing the car. Good work though. So as you've seen, Reaper's work before. We'll do a before and an after, and this is the before. Few little scratches in the car, fresh from the paint shop, which shouldn't be a thing, but we'll have a look when Reaper's finished. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful clean car. Unreal. Nice, genuine Honda decals. Still have the plastic on them. Unreal. The caps are brand new. Brand new access caps. Immaculate original exhaust. Absolutely mint. Mint, 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 mint. Absolutely mint. Simple things in life that bring us joy. Love these mirrors. So Reaper's at this car about 2 hours, and he has the bonnet done, the front bumper, passenger wing. You can see the difference. Unbelievable. Passenger side of the car. And then around to the back he has half the spoiler done. A lot of work polishing. Too much work.
Way too much work.
I think that's why he gave it up and went driving trucks.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw. Mother trucker. Now that's Tizzy's car all painted. Aaron done a nice job. It actually looks decent. It's nice when you have a nice space to paint the car. No dust. So Aaron was just saying the bumpers need to be prepped tomorrow and painted, and then the car can be put back together, and we'll see it finished hopefully the end of this week.
Next week.
Next week. This week. Next week.